Hello students, how are you? I hope you all are studying at home. Let us start with geography. Today I am going to explain you about chapter 1, our motherland, means India where we all live. India officially the Republic of India. You can say in Hindi, Bharat Ganrajya is a country in South Asia. It is the 7th largest country by geographical area. The second most populous country with over 1.18 billion people. As you know that first populous country is China and the second one is our India. It is a democratic country. What do you mean by democratic? Democratic is a form of government in which the common people can rule either directly or through elected representatives. India has great diversity. What do you mean by diversity? The quality or state of being different or varied in its physical features, climates, cultures, languages, food, clothes, religion. People with different cultures live here. They speak different languages. There are 22 different languages that have been recognized by the Constitution of India. People belonging to different parts of India wear different kinds of clothes. They have different food habits. They follow different religions. Mainly 6 religions are in India. They are Hinduism, Buddhism, Jainism, Sikhism, Islam and Christianity. We find a kind of emotional unity in our country. The very name of our country, India, brings us emotionally close. We may be in any part of the world, but we will always be called Indians. No matter what religion we follow and what region was belonged to, India diversity has always been recognized as a source of its strength. In spite of all these differences, people are united. We are all Indians. India is therefore known as a land of unity in diversity. Unity in diversity means हम सब अलग होते हुए भी अलग भाषाओं का इस्तेमाल, अलग भाषाओं को यूज़ करना, अलग तरीके के कपड़े पहनना, अलग तरीके का खाना खाना, अलग तरीके के हमारे डांस फॉर्म्स हैं, अलग अलग तरीके के हमारे फेस्टिवल्स हैं, फिर भी हम सब एक हैं. लोकेशन ऑफ इंडिया. इंडिया इज सिचुएटेड इन द साउदर्न सेंट्रल पार्ट ऑफ एशिया. इंडिया इज बॉर्डर्ड बाय द पाकिस्तान टू द वेस्ट, चाइना, नेपाल एंड भूटान टू द नॉर्थ, and Bangladesh and Myanmar to the east. Sri Lanka and Maldives lie to the south. These are India's neighboring countries. India has 29 states and 7 union territories. These 7 union territories are Andaman and Nicobar Islands, Chandigarh, Dadar and Nagar Haveli, Daman and Diu, Lakshadweep, Puducherry, National Capital Territory of Delhi. Main features of India are India can be divided into 5 physical divisions. These are 5 points which I am going to tell you. The northern mountains, the second one is the northern plains, the third one is the western desert, fourth the southern plateaus, fifth the coastal plains and islands. Now I hope you understood this chapter, our motherland. Now you will not get any problem, any difficulty in this chapter. Bye students, take care, be at home, stay home, stay safe. Bye.